Back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to summarize Excel data in seconds using Claude. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you got to do is simply get logged in into your Claude AI account. Once you have got logged in into your Claude AI account, you need to simply tap on the plus sign and simply upload a file. So in the file, you need to simply select the Excel file that you want to summarize. So once you upload an Excel file and provide a prompt, your file will be uploaded. And once the file has been uploaded, you need to type a prompt in the message box describing how you want the data summarized. Now, Cloud automatically detects header, data type, and table structure, so you can refer the column names directly in your prompt. So after you have done this, you can get the output from the Claude and you can review it and refine it. So this way you can simply summarize Excel data in seconds using Claude. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.